Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am your maths teacher for class 4. This is your lecture number 3. Open book page number 17, exercise 1.6. In this exercise, first you know about what is even or odd. The number ends with 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 in one's place are called odd numbers. The number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 in one's place are called even numbers. Now look at these numbers. There are two types of numbers, 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. The numbers are not clubbed into groups of 2. We cannot make them or divide them into groups of 2. So these numbers are called odd numbers. Now look at these numbers 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. We can break these numbers into groups of 2. We can make groups of 2 from these numbers. Such numbers are called even numbers. And this is the very important concept in mathematics. So now we have some cups over here. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So, is 5 an even number or an odd number? Let's try and forms of groups of 2. These two in first group, these two in second group. But see, I have one cup left, so I cannot put it into group of 2. So 5 is an odd number. Now over here I have 6 cups. So let me try and put these into groups of 2. These two in first group, these two in second group and these two in third group. So these are 6 cups and I was able to put them into groups of 2. So what is such a number called? Such a number called an even number. 6 is a even number. Six is an even number. These numbers which can broken down and divided into groups of 2 are called even numbers, and the numbers which cannot be broken into groups of 2 are called odd numbers. Now open your maths Seaver copy, draw a margin line, mention date, exercise number and page number. Write question number 1. Write down the odd numbers between 10 to 20. Write down counting from 10 to 20 and separate the number which ends with 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Odd numbers are 11, 13, 15, 17 and 19. Question number 2 is write down the even numbers between 30 to 50. Write counting from 30 to 50 and separate the number which ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 0 in one's place. Even numbers are 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48 and 50. Question number 3 is write down the 10 odd numbers after 60. The 10 odd numbers after 60 are 61, 63, 65, 67, 69, 71, 73, 75, 77 and 79. Then question number 4. Write down the 10 even numbers after 100. 10 even numbers after 100 are 102, 104, 106, 108, 110, 112, 114, 116, 118 and 120. This is the end of today's lecture. Complete your work and submit it on time. Allah Hafiz.